everyone, Lisa here again, and I've got another little DIY makeover that I'm going to be doing for my son's room. This is like a M&M's gumball machine that he's had for quite a while, and I thought I'd just gonna give it a bit of a steampunk makeover so that it would sort of match more in the style of his room that he's got now. And instead of using it for a gumball, I thought we might store his marbles in it because he's got a small collection of marbles. So I thought that might be a perfect container to store all his marbles. So let's get started. Okay, so first I've removed the lid and I've taken that, I've taken the top off it because I think I'm actually going to replace this with a skull or something because I don't really like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to tape up the areas that I don't want painted. So I'm just going to tape up around this silver part here and around the bowl, and then I'm just going to spray paint this bottom bit brown, and then we'll start steampunking it after that. Okay, so we've painted it brown now. I've removed the M&M logo with some nail polish remover. I have the lid here ready to go on. So what I plan to do now is just use a little bit of gold paint here, and I'm just going to go over the edges just to give it a bit of a metallic look, and probably a little bit over here as well. Okay, so now for the lid, all I plan to do is to just stick this skull onto the lid. So I'm probably just going to cut a little hole into the skull there and just to poke that bit through. So this is just made of foam from what I can gather. So I've decorated the skull a little bit. I've put a couple of little studs in his eyes, a few on the back of his head, a little bit on the side, a little bit on the side there, and I've incorporated a few more studs around the jar. So, well, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I have a few more videos coming up in my son's bedroom series, and then I'll be starting on my daughter's, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.
Rewind this mother.